the music off to the side. You can tell you can hear the music next on this here sound day over here.
Do you have me covered, by the way?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I just want to find out. Because that all falls into my calculations, too.
Calculation.
You should have known already.
I like it. Calculation.
Tom Brady's like, how full of shit is this motherfucker?
I got a bad feeling he's got probably a better hand than I do.
You don't have a hand.
I think he's got a hand. Like, that's going to affect his decision, fella.
It is because she looked at his hand, so I call.
Good lay down. You laying that down?
No, he called. He called.
He called.
Called you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think I got?
Now your girlfriend got me to call dipshit.
Yeah, whatever. I don't have a girlfriend. I got a wife.
How much was it?
Her name is Amy, by the way.
40.
My wife's name is Amy.
Oh, your friend helped you out today.
I flopped it, by the way.
I
I wasn't even listening to anything that was said, so I was irrelevant for anything that was said. So I'm listening to this song here. I got a really good song.
Nice play, buddy. Well, I was positive he had a tube until she opened her fat mouth.
I wasn't even listening to what she said, so it was irrelevant. So I was
You're
like,
the one with the good reads. Laying down
I
talking.
was all over it.
You listen to me for.
By the way, that's the voice I got you tonight.
You're so good.
Wow. It's getting real salty now.
Whole hands and I'll take kumbaya.
If we were playing a tournament, I would have knocked you off twice.
Do I need orange juice on my party or what?
Mixed with what?
Told you, Chad. No,
I'm here.
I'm not. I don't drink alcohol.
Yeah, whatever. I'm doing yank bomb.
No, I'm not
Those are
drinking.
shots
I really-
or one thing.
There you go, buddy. That's the real truth.
I never drink yank bomb.
$2.
What? Why you all up in my ass, little shit?
Chad, try to make it $2.
Yeah.
Chad knows,
Can
man.
I call her?
I've been at his parties. He knows how I handle myself.
Sonny, we're $2, buddy.
I handle myself with women pretty nice.
Sonny, you can pull your 40 back though, buddy.
You handle yourself with women pretty
Don't
nice.
say that to the wife. Don't say that to the wife.
The wife.
The wife.
You three are the only ones that are in the pot. As Joe started with the flop down on your side of the table. I want to make sure Sonny can see it.
Yeah. I'm gonna get it back.
How much?
That's
That's the correct amount, 180.
180.
Yeah.
I just want to see if you guys are paying attention.
No, we're not drunk. Take change.
You got there yet?
He's got two pair.
26.
45.
That's wrong color. But, yeah, unless I make trips, I'm fucked. Yeah, I'm a bad call. I'll make a bad call like fucking.
Shut your fat mouth. You got something to say.
Nice hand.
Yeah. I had a pair.
Sonny, don't antagonize, alright?
I did.
Ship the cards.
You're right. I apologize for what's your name again? Troy. I called you my best friend, Troy.